As winter releases its grip, spring arrives, bringing with it the next generation. Here we have King Swan taking his 1-week-old cygnets out for a swim. As the royal family ventures into the water, all of the other waterfowl give way. After a short swim, the king returns the cygnets to the nest, where the queen is anxiously awaiting their return. After they scale the embankment, they huddle together and dry off. The royal couple only have 6 cygnets this year. They normally run between 9 and 11. I've noticed that there are 3 unhatched eggs in the nest. The cygnets scramble to get underneath the queen's wing for protection and warmth. It's a little crowded under that wing, so a couple come out and look for better positions. They've all found refuge under the warm wings of the queen. This cygnet is sitting on top of the world. Thank you for viewing, and what a cute family!